about the black sky.
That's pretty.
It's squinted right on that one went off, so it looks even cooler. Sparkly. Like a bird.
Are we gonna get a finale? Wow, that's huge. That's the biggest one so far.
And it went up so small too.
It's a really strange noise when I take pictures of it.
She took a picture with her phone.
And it's like my phone says stage season. I've never taken I don't think it's my phone. No, it's my phone. I'm trying to take pictures of my phone.
If you want to come over to more.
I have a picture of
Stop it!
I should try to take a picture on my phone. Well, and then take talent. I quit my
Are you doing videos?
Yes.
We're gonna have nice commentary.
I don't know if it has sound.
Mine does
going up in my front yard.
And the ones
I usually go to work here in Michigan,
No.
which is like a mile.
You have the same phone I do.
But they have really good cameras, so you go and like sit out here.
I'm getting a new phone and
Watch them from the water.
yeah,
I've got 2 minutes of video on this thing, and it's been pretty constant.
wow.
Ireland?
Okay, I'm gonna say no to that.
Gave up with that.
Because I can't hold my left hand steady enough. And it's really cold. I think there is sound to this, actually. Once I go online.
Looks like it's raining.
Pretty.
It looks like he's so far in front of it.
Well, it's been 15 minutes. Impressive. There's a lot. Yeah, I'd say we're getting closer.
I love it. Kind of fast. Oh, the wind.
Laura's the one that should be freezing the most, and she doesn't seem to complain about being cold. My legs are fine, and they're the ones like I've got
I feel like that's because she has a boy to lean against.
It makes all the world better, right?
It does. Actually, it's a scientific reason that men have higher body temperature than women.
Huh.
So, only slightly.
Well,
It's really hot.
I've-
It's really bright.
I've heard that too, but I've heard that's because like women, the way their bodies are, like their heat is centered around. I'm sorry, I made that awkward. I didn't mean to do that. But it's just like your.
Now.
Go ahead, say it.
Just saying that area like needs to be heated.
This is on film, you know. This
Man,
is
it's
on
like
film.
the opposite.
The greatest thing is that this is recorded. We're hearing.
Oh my.